I'm here to tell you that it's an extremely simple move. It's an extremely simple sequence, and if you're having trouble with the downtown, you're probably having trouble with the very simple moves that make the downtown up, and you should stop practicing the downtown and practice those moves. Well, that's what this video is here to help you do. Just as usual, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, 5 exercises. Let's get into it. So our first move for the day is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. I want you to make sure the first one's coming out, first one's coming, next one's coming forward, out, forward, out, forward, out, forward, out, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swag it out. 3, 4, swag it out. 3, 4, swag it out. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, that's our first 30 seconds. Good job, everybody. Good job, everybody. Next one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 15 more seconds. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure it's coming out forward. 1, 2. Be pushing it. 2, 1, 2. Bend those knees. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. This time we're gonna change it up. We're gonna do that one more time. We're gonna do that second one more time. This is really, really important. I want you to make sure that you're getting your knees nice and bent and you're feeling it. Dipping in the darkness. Boom, 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 boom. Roll it up. 6, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. That is the third set. The third set. We're gonna take it up. Next exercise. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. When we step, we're gonna step to a 45-degree angle. 1, out. 1, out. Not this. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Add your attitude. 1, 2. Add your attitude. The downtown is not. The downtown got some swag to it. We dancing with our friends, so you need to use this time. This is where you get your attitude. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Let's get it. Ooh, good. That's another 30 seconds. We're gonna do this one more time. Same drill. Same drill. Once again, 45s. 45. Not straight. Not straight. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Work it out. Work it out. I want y'all to feel this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. But the groove is more important than the steps. If you got the steps, but you don't got the groove, you don't have the downtown. Five, 4, 3, 2, boom, 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 boom. 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 Lifting in the darkness. Boom, boom, boom. Good. That's really, really good. Our next exercise. Back. 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 Step. Back. Step. Back. Step. Back. Step. Back. Step. Back. Step. We're going to work it out. We're going to work it out. Awesome. 10 seconds to go. 4, 3, 2. Boom, 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 boom. Get it. Remember the swag. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Dum, 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 dum. Lifting in the darkness. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. That's 30 seconds. Just like with my forward steps, I try to do these on the 45 instead of. That's not how our bodies work. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Lifting in the darkness. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Lifting in the darkness. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, kitty cat. Good, really good. Rest it out. Rest it out. As always, if you're having trouble, I want you to slow this down. If you cannot step that fast, I want you to spend 30 seconds just stepping behind your feet at whatever pace you can get. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Lifting in the darkness. Doom, doom, doom. Lifting in the darkness. Good. That was 3. That was 3 times. Our next exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, 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 left, right, left, right, right, left. Woo! This time I'm gonna add a little bit of boom, boom, boom. Ah, ah, oh. If you got it, put the slang on it. Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, burn, burn, boom. Hey! Boom, 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 boom. Ah, do, 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 do. Boom, 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 boom. Eek, boom, 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 boom. Ah, boom, 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 boom. Eek, do, 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 do. Boom, do, 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 do. Ah, do, 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 do. Ooh, I like that. So what I want to do this time when I'm playing with it, when I get to the other side, I want to step wide so I can close that joint. And that's how you really get them. That's how we're going to cook them up today. That's how we're going to cook them up today. Five, 4, 3, 2, boom, 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 boom. Eight, boom, boom, boom. Eight, boom, boom, boom. Eight, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom, boom, boom. That's 3 times. Our next and our last drill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. 30 seconds. 30 seconds on the clock. Rest it out. Rest it out. Rest it out. Three, two, boom, 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 boom. Dum, 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 dum. 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 Dum, 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 dum. Good. Good. That's what I'm talking about. Good. 15 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You gotta get into it. I started getting into it too late. I got into it too late. Now the exercise, now the workout over. Anyway, that's it. Deuces.